Some of this stuff I haven't even seen.
Around us, we have a bunch of our costumes hanging up.
There's so much that it's hard to keep track of. We've got about 100 years of costumes.
Originally, they were in these cabinets that are upstairs. A lot of our costumes aren't even hanging up yet, so there's still even a lot more that haven't been sorted.
We're finding places that we didn't know existed here in the building that have costumes in them.
Because we're moving to the new school, we have to take out all of the costumes and basically organize them.
Just to see what we have before we do the big move.
Oh, thank you.
This is archaeology. It's a fossil record of costumes. Some of them are 70s dated, you know, there's like that look. It's an 80s on fire pantsuit. We're going to be throwing some away that haven't survived, and we're going to donate some to the middle schools, and we're going to see what we're going to carry over to the new building.
For a lot of the shows, we buy new costumes, and so then we've just accumulated a lot.
Back in the day, when James Erickson was the director here, he would require parents to come in and build costumes for every show. This room would be filled with parents sweating away building costumes. Look at that. I mean, every panel has got so much work. When you think about it, this is the love that the parents had for their kids. They'd come in and they would like build these beautiful costumes. And actually, we've been going through the old yearbooks to find like, you know, all the photos. 1998, we could look in and go, oh, that weird hat came from that weird show. And we're just trying to make sense of it before we actually do anything permanent to it, because we really want to honor the history. Joseph's Technicolor Dreamcoat up here, there's no way we're getting rid of that. That's part of our heritage. In the new building, we'll have some room on the walls perhaps where we can like make some nice display areas.
Getting everything organized and ready for the new move. We want the underclassmen to be able to start off at the new school ready and not being, we don't want them disorganized at all.
And I just had my first tour of the new space. I mean, we got a lot of room, but I don't want it to be too packed. I kind of want to start fresh.